This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open YouTube Studio and pick the uploaded video. This gets you to the exact page where Subtitles live. Once there, click Subtitles on the left. YouTube shows languages. Make sure your video is public or unlisted because private can block some processing. If you already have a transcript, choose Upload File. Otherwise, plan to use auto-sync or type directly. These actions jumpstart the process, so you can add precise text and timing instead of wrestling with formats later. After selecting Add Subtitles, choose the language and pick a method. Upload file if you have SRT or TXT, auto-sync if you have plain transcript or type captions manually. If uploading, confirm the file matches timestamps. If auto-sync, YouTube aligns text to speech automatically. Review carefully. When typing, use the playback scrubber to set precise start and end times for each caption. Make small adjustments and play segments to check reading speed. Once everything matches spoken, now review the full subtitle track while playing the video. Watch for overlaps, missed words, and timing squeezes. Once satisfied, click Publish so subtitles appear for viewers, then test on desktop and mobile to confirm rendering. If captions look off, don't panic. Reopen Subtitles, edit the lines, or re-upload a corrected SRT file. If auto-sync fails, try manual timing or break long sentences into smaller caption units. These steps complete the job and resolve common subtitle issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.